Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nita if you guys are new here. So today we're going to be doing an organize with me, clean with me refrigerator edition. So my refrigerator is filthy and it needs to be organized, it needs to be cleaned. So I figured why not film it. So we're going to get it done today. So yeah, if you guys enjoy these kinds of videos, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe maybe, and yeah, let's get into the video. All right, so here is the inside of my fridge. Yes, I know it's extremely empty. We haven't gone grocery shopping yet, so this is why I thought this was the perfect time to do the organize and clean with me while it's somewhat empty. And then once it's clean and we get all our groceries, it'll be, you know, even better or easier to get everything in there. So our fridge is, I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but it's dirty. Yeah. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. All right, let me back up. That's enough. So we're going to go ahead and take out all the drawers, all the shelvings, and then I'm going to do a time lapse with you guys. And yeah, I'm going to get to cleaning. Organization portion, I got these containers off of Amazon. They're stackable. They come in 4 different sizes. I'll also leave the description in the I'll also leave the link in the description for you guys if you guys are interested in buying these containers. They're acrylic and they're sturdy. So yeah. guys, so we're finally done organizing the refrigerators. Let me show you guys what it's looking like. Ta-da! All right, so on the first shelf we have our eggs, then we have our almond milk over here. Going down we have some root beer soda, then we have our fruits over here. We have our strawberries and grapes, and down here we have our soda. We have our ginger ale and sparkling water, then we have our orange juice here. Then in this drawer we have our mini peppers and a couple of lemons. And in this drawer we have our celery, carrot, and then we have an onion. Alright, so on the left hand drawer we have some salad dressings here. We have our Chick-fil-A sauce. Then we have lemon juice and some beef stock here. On the right hand drawer we have our jellies on the top shelf. On the second shelf we have our ketchup, mayo, mustard, relish, butter, sour cream, things like that. And then the last shelf is miscellaneous, yogurt, protein, things like that. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is the most my refrigerator has ever been organized ever. So I'm super proud of it. I hope you guys like it too. And if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe and like this video. And the link to the containers are in the description. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.